How can you buy a product from Bitrix theme? Search for products according to your needs, receive relevant results, and add your selected items to the cart. Add the selected product to the checkout in order to complete your purchase. Select a payment method to complete the successful payment for your product. We have received your payment. Your order has been placed successfully. Access your purchased product on the dashboard and download it from there. A download link will be sent to your email for easy access.